Do you struggle with writing copy? If your answer is yes, then you are in the right place. What if you could have an app which makes it simple and fast to write all kinds of ad copies? And not just write them, but design and build them as well. Now you can easily get more buy buttons out there, with more powerful and high-converting copy. Sales pages, squeeze pages, upsell pages, VSLs. Yes, even turns marketing copies into VSLs. Along with Google Ads, banner ads, email swipes and more. Forget having to learn how to write compelling copy. Forget having to pay out big bucks, and stop worrying about unpredictable, expanding timelines. This software makes it easier than you can imagine, and beta testers are already loving it. You will never have to pay out for copy again after you pick this up. Let's face it, this can easily save you many thousands of dollars and shrink your turnaround time to sales and make more profits, easily paying for itself, over and over. At the moment, right now a commercial license is included, so you can offer your services to others. Get a high ROI from just one client. Right now you can get this for a one-time price, under $20. But hurry, the price is going up every hour. So please watch the demo and see this amazing product in action by clicking on the Learn More button now. May God bless you and your loved ones. Signing off. Pedro Robert.